12th of August 2025. It's 27 to 8 o'clock in the matang di Kua.
Yeah.
Kita banyak sekali bikin di Wakanda yang berada di borong boleh bikin all around the country and to all the friends tuning from the outer islands of the Fiji Islands. Bisa boleh benaka tu ta sada waktu turang tolu. Ta kondor membuat ke Maduata.
Alright.
Kalau mimbita lang bikin di nangani buli. Nangkas ini buli ada buli betokan di bona ta di borong boleh mikina. And matang di Kua. Ada benaka Dems, ada benaka Samu.
And I'm back to both of you fellows in this wonderful morning. We say good morning to each and everyone who tuning in inside the basa, rushing from work, rushing to work this wonderful morning. Likewise, who tuning inside the taxi, inside the minivan, and to all each and everyone who tuning in the live stream of VTFM from overseas. And from under the sea. Some of them inside the ocean in this wonderful morning. Thank you very much for tuning in on Facebook page VTFM live stream in this morning.
Don Bobinaka.
Good morning to everyone who being part of the breakfast tea. They are tea the breakfast this morning. Especially to the Ngamea to this one our Dononto Bungona. Bungono Tongo. Ale na baru sawale batake opuna makumbunto to opuna mbule benaka puna rapuamu tamainai akena bubal ndo sema bulima na mataka benaka ni kuwa
Isa, baru di bilang kita dan driver. Say good morning and to all the drivers tuning in this morning, going to transporting the kids to school. To all the LC drivers, binabali besar bitokani, binabali besar pamurid cikon lalu dengan isala. Sakiri ngabi kemuni muni maru cikon lalu dengan isala. Nabu kun lalu benda. Karena ngoli cikor ni buri pakakin na school bus. Kemuni na sebut sumaya nabu ni ngarabi tapi kata kata mata di kuah. Nian radi mata bina.
The world is going down. Da satu stick na yamba Kisandro sirutin ko naman.
Samu's got a new haircut today.
What's wrong with no? What happened? That's fresh, eh? Blooming.
I look at my face in a sort of black thing here under my eyes.
Baka mo sa buti-buti amay?
No, the black thing, eh?
That's what? What's the causes?
It's causes because my hair is very big.
Oy, baka may turun buto?
Yes, turun buto. Millie knows because Millie knows everything about face and everything.
Oh, he is the...
she's the hair salona.
Wale mula masa kele binanga sa ambula remiaw and everybody joining this morning. Not forgetting kami nieli ni boy. To the Masi, good morning to you. Sidi Kimora, Egi Okona, Rusi La Tehana, Sione Maxiale, Melna the Lebu, Pene Salambongi, Chose Batehana, from China, from Langere.
This is the real thing they miss.
Come.
When you cut your hair, look at your face. You cut your hair last week. Look at your face. It's Buddha. It shows. And you can feel the air, the wind in your hair.
What happened when you come to work?
It's very, very good. Early in the morning, you don't need to brush your hair. You don't need to comb your hair.
What else?
You don't need to apply any gel or vaseline.
Second last.
The second last is you just toothbrush and come.
Ton kulud. Bentari and the family nasi sebas joining this morning and forget Sunny boy. He is a jela.
Who?
Bentari.
Oi.
Kaya baka gel? He told Sunny boy Marika Sunny, the best of the bus then. He said he wants to be a deadlocker. Deadlocker. May batumbulu.
Deadlocks.
He wants to be, and I want to thank all the drivers. Public transport, thank you very much for the supportive. The first passengers in the bus is the driver. Before he sit to the seat, he's a passenger. While doing the responsibility, he is a driver. Everybody can be a driver. But if you sit on a seat, you are passengers.
But don't like that old mother, old grandmother.
Find your seat.
He told the driver, find your seat. I am here first.
Sapui.
This was in Corvo, eh?
Leslie Arangare Naone from Solomon Islands. Good morning to you. Miriam Lokit Tirosi. John Kumar, Mbulebinaka. Bilesenia.
Jela. Bilesenia. Very well, good morning this morning. Thank you very much for tuning in. Kinsmer Rokombos, eh? Isa, and I'm not Turanga.
Okay. All right. Our Talano session this morning is about the types of love.
Oh.
Okay. On Samu, dorsal kirin demis man madal taka nadabra kirimal bale.
Julume.
Okay. The types of laugh, there are a few. One of them is chuckle. Chuckle is to laugh quietly. Why do we chuckle?
Okay, awa.
Yeah.
Basi titinele moro tambalo. Government our sister from the health inspector from Rambi.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah. To tabalembeni to and the family from Nakabekam.
Chuckle, to laugh quietly. Why?
This is a kind of laugh. A kind of
Laugh.
A kind of laugh where you decided to commit your mouth within the air.
Right.
It coming from the word Chuck Norris. When you see Chuck Norris, doing the action movie, did you hear anything?
No.
There is no laugh. Yeah, there is no laugh.
So he's laughing.
He's laughing. That's laughing. Laughing over accents.
Right.
Accent is laugh.
One. That's a chuckle. Okay.
Chuckle.
There's another one. Giggle.
Giggle.
Laugh repeatedly.
Giggle is when you think of something happened decades ago.
Yeah.
When you alone, eh?
Alone.
Iyo.
Iko pa kamu basa matakan dona ka do saran dona kono balabu.
Yeah.
And remind you when you saw something, it's
And you connect the Bluetooth with that thing and the thing, that one.
That's when you giggle.
Okay.
Yeah, from the Google.
All right, okay. Goofo. Laugh loudly.
Goofo.
Yeah.
Is
Goofo.
Apa?
Goofo.
Good for.
Goofo.
Goofo.
Yeah.
Goofo. Laugh loudly.
Yeah.
When you laugh,
Iyo.
unseparated. You separate your tongue from your mouth. Montala nga saranga. Yeah. Montala nga.
Layone. Yeah.
You separate your mouth from your tongue.
Dalang asara.
Yeah.
If it's not like that wide,
Wow, nagkailan kami
Malo boy.
Yeah. That kind of laugh. We say goofo. That's a goofo laugh. Okay.
Especially when a man or a girl they are in loving blind.
Oi.
Baka mipas na nila baka mungkay wende.
Yeah.
Mungkay wende baka mabanggar attention.
Yeah.
That you gonna see that laugh.
Okay.
Example lah.
Tita. Laugh nervously.
Twitter.
Tita.
Love. Tita.
Yeah.
It's a love that coming from hormone.
Kau nanggai cincin mengenai tita nanggai.
It's a love kind of love that you love. Ikola ikunda ndeshe na butomu.
Yeah. Nervously.
Yeah. Your nervous system. It's running in the blood clot.
Yeah.
It's running inside.
Yeah.
It's through your nervous system.
Right.
You marau, ikondendre,
Yeah.
but you didn't feel outside.
Baka morer talo tu.
Iba kamorere.
Yeah.
Esena butomu.
Right.
like when you drink well, boy.
Drink well bomb with the langi.
Snigger.
Huh?
Snigger.
Siniga is from Manyaba, Momo Willie.
To laugh unkindly. Baka mo bakit skats.
Yeah, bakamo you laugh
Yeah.
of something
Yeah.
that does not connect in your mind.
Yeah.
Like you are funny for a comedy. You
Right.
laugh.
Gore.
You just laugh of something you
Mo
want.
bakit skats.
Mondre itu nga malatan yon nam.
Yeah.
Kesa ka mandang nila son dendre nga.
Yeah.
Bisa lang tinabuli-buli.
Laugh joyfully.
Oh, this is you laugh on your rights.
Right.
On
Right.
dendre itu na nomundundun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Laugh joyful.
Yeah.
You throw your leg. You throw your hand. Don't throw your set. Keep in mind that you are in a public area. Throw your leg, throw your set. But don't throw anything else. Otherwise, you think of yourself in a public area.
And let's laugh joyfully.
Yeah.
Okay. The second last one is cackle.
Kekal.
Laugh harshly.
This is coming from the word. You see your back?
Yeah.
It's keke.
Yeah.
Ni keke nanda kumu.
Yeah.
Apa kena mamagala?
To
You laugh.
laugh harshly.
Yeah, you know, you laugh in a manner that something is in pain.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pain
yeah.
inside and you want to laugh and you can, especially to the people got a sickness.
Yeah.
You want to laugh and you harsh yourself.
Yeah.
You know, it's very
Like
harassment.
One more or one
Yeah,
sauce at the back.
Right. And you laugh, you know, can laugh in a proper manner.
Yeah.
So your teeth, close your teeth. Kasi nga may nambati mo yung komunita katali.
Yeah.
In mind, you are laughing.
Yeah.
But the pain is laughing first before you laugh.
One of them. Okay. The last one.
Last.
Types of laugh.
Ha.
Belly laugh. Laugh deeply.
Belly laugh.
Yeah. This is the last one.
That's a kind of laugh.
Yeah.
When you are in a supermarket of fish. Fish from Belly Bridge.
Belly Bridge.
The belly laugh. When you see the fish, you are Kusima. That when you see the Kusima, you are know that you are being killed. That's a belly laugh. You see the kind of fish in front of you. The kind of fish in a fish form. The kind of fish in a human form.
Human form.
Kusima, that's coming from the Belly Bridge.
Okay, alright. Doon na matagal na nang gordo takabakali mo nang onelew sa akin daw butikin na boso sa. Hindi rin ko makan tu na mga kila kavi.
Iya, kali.
Okay.
La Cecil.
Yeah. The goof for laugh, the laugh loudly. The last one. Kita sa taraw sila goof for laugh. Laugh loudly.
Gufo.
Yeah.
When you see the word gufo, it defined as a G.
Yeah.
Is that not G?
Yeah.
G. G. It's round like a cell. But it runs at the back in a short form. Ado like kana kau kumambamba. That is a brace.
Bersih apa?
Brace means G. When you see two, it's angle in 90 degrees. One on the left, one going down. That's one for the base, one for the...
Prano.
And if you see the growing onward, like anti-clockwise in a half cook. Ada mama, saya sari laki. So G, apa tadi? Gumo.
Guara.
Nalala mas tabaw.
Ada televisor koli lah.
Those gang two from New Zealand, Gisborne, about to go to job. They are very
guara. Thank you very much. Guara and Quine Poppy. Hey, thank you very much. Vinod Patel.
Punches.
Hey.
Ulis Ratu. Good morning. Isa, masa seri kurumera. Thank you very much for tuning in, my brother.
Thank you.
Likewise to Catherine Paul. Isa, Andra to you and God bless. Boris Waiwalu, thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. And this opportunity, while we are saying the laughter, and Atukrumud is closing his eyes. He's want to laugh from inside too, eh? Isa, to bulmaleka, no tawa ngango, no tawa, so seva kawa. Isa leyo. Isa. Yeah, this morning we
Boris
tried
Malu.
to...
Gua nakatunga mekani lasa, mekani venedrebak.
Da Andre seni rongo.
Andre sendiri rongo kor ko andre drebak mata rongoru. Rongoru. Malah ni bosa dolati mata ni tikira nai rai. Boleh menaka mai tahu. Na boleh menaka ngona sema boleh mai ngona turangan ni na tauloa. Mai nai rai.
Ano na matagal?
Kongo ko pa boleh na kuli.
Yeah.
Enda bosa na kuli.
Hoi.
Ertu kuna mai sa era bosa, era pa boleh.
Sandin.
Daw ikali ba ko baturang ni kor, mekadi ba kana itu ni turang ni kor.
Iyo.
Horto na kuli memur.
Sandin.
Wala klar ni banda ta weekend. So tabi tio na liwa-liwa, mbeni kumbula. Handina. Ketu meketu sadaba pa ni binaka. Live taka hataka ngai setaka non da live ena mataka binani kwa.
Bina boleh besar punjas kay Vinod Patel ena buku ni Vitokon.
Na itokani?
Kung mundo ko.
Turang tani go.